everyone, welcome back to Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. I'm your craft host, Fan, coming to you today with our weekly sip and share featuring this Twinings orange and cinnamon spice tea. It is an herbal tea, naturally caffeine free, which is one of the reasons why I chose it today for myself. Now, I've already started on it, but let me just tell you, that cinnamon, which by the way it says it's Vietnamese cinnamon. Not quite sure how different that is from any other cinnamon, but just needed to let you guys know that. But it's a mild citrus. The orange is a mild citrus. It's not overpowering. It's not heavy. It really is good for the daytime because it's caffeine free. You can still drink it at night without having to fear not getting to sleep on time. But I think the citrus taste kind of sort of just tricks your mind into thinking that it's a little bit more awake than it actually is. So that's good around little afternoon, maybe after lunch, and you need to make sure you make it through the rest of the workday. So it's perfect for that. I also think that you can serve that over ice and it would taste rather good in the summertime or any time of the year. But nevertheless, this is a tea that I definitely like, so I'll recommend that. And moving along to the share portion, just wanted to share with you guys some of these favor boxes that I made using the envelope punch board. We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board. This circle is made using a 2-inch, or actually it's a 1.5-inch circle punch, and then I just use different scraps of paper. The paper pad, this paper pad I picked up from Tuesday Morning, and I don't remember who actually, you know what, that came from this paper pad, Heidi Swap. So this came from the Heidi Swap, as well as this and this. Actually, all of these came out of this paper pad, and then this one came out of a paper pack that I got from Hobby Lobby. But I just wanted to show you how big these are. They're about 2 inches long. Let me make sure. They're about 2 1/4 inches long by 1 7/8, basically 1 3/4 tall. So inside of here, and just to give you an idea of how large it is, these are Werther's candies, and I can fit 5 in there. So these are perfect for, if you have Thanksgiving guests coming and you want to give them a little favor box to send them on their way. It's little treats. These are great for that, and it doesn't use up a lot of paper. And here I just used some twine from the Dollar Tree, Baker's twine, and this one, the closure is a binder clip with a little bit of ribbon tied on it. Pink, white, black, and red, Goddess Love. And, they can be masculine. You can use raffia. Is that what it's called? Yeah. You can use that or something masculine to tie it up with. But nevertheless, I just wanted to share that with you guys since the holidays are right upon us, and it's something that you can send your guests out of your home with, just to say thanks for coming and stop back soon. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that little share. My next video, I will make a couple on camera just to give you an idea of how easy it actually is. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you are notified of the next videos as they are uploaded. And until we're back here again on YouTube again, stay encouraged, blessed, creative, and crafting. Bye for now.